welcome back. So today's epic mission is we need to go to Napa and pick up the part that we obviously failed at changing. That's in today. And we have to go to a bank, open up a bank account. The Cash App thing, I've exceeded my limit. And I've only done it twice, and I've waited days, and it won't let me keep adding money. So I'm just going to open up a bank account here. Whatever. I'll have bank accounts in every state that I work in. That might be convenient, because Bank of America doesn't exist up here. So that's the plan. Everything is already hunkered down in the van. Last night was pretty awesome, honestly. It didn't get that cold. You can tell I have the door open this morning. It's been very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. Camera. We got it. And it is the right part. So now I gotta text this guy and see if I can show up to his work and replace this part real quick and clear the code. And then this issue will be done. But right now, we have to go to the bank and set up a bank account so we can start transferring money. We might not have time to do all of this today because I still have to go to work. So we're figuring this out. We're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Welcome back, guys. On today's episode, we gotta do something to fix this fridge. It literally sounds like a generator is running every time that it turns on. It's so loud. So, we're gonna remove the fridge. We're gonna clean out the area. We're gonna clean the compressor. See if we can make it a little bit quieter. Oh man. Oh, Jaden. We have everything cleaned up off the floor. We've swept. We have not mopped because it's about to get even nastier once I pull this fridge out. But I also have to tell you guys, okay, it is a little bit hard for me to film because I have music blaring in my ears. What is going on here? Do you see this? Woo! But anyways, I have music like blaring in my ear for like 12 hours a day. And so it's really hard to like work without music yelling at you, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to like get things done and film, but also like keep motivation up. Ah! Oh man. This one fly, every time I try to kill him, he runs away. He's very fast. I don't understand. I think I got him. Yes! Debating if I should go get the drill, but I also don't want to strip out these bolts. So it's like, I also need to like, these are so hard as a rock, dude. What the heck? Okay, we need to clean this out too. Like, what the heck is in here? Yeah, they'll be easy to put back in. I've just never taken them out. This is so the wrong bit for this. Alright, we got one. Sweet! This one is just full of protein bars. Because that's like a lot of my diet. Moment of truth, man. Oh boy. Oh wait. Hold on. This is why, like, doing anything in a small space, like, you have to, like, plan out that you're not gonna do nothing for the rest of the day, because I, like, have the energy to do this, and then I'm not gonna do anything else, like, oh gosh. Alright. Holy bejizers. Okay. I don't even know how far I'm going to be able to pull it out, because I don't think the cord is honestly that long. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, okay, it's not that long. Okay, so we gotta go this way. Oh. Alright. There's actual tree particles around the compressor. Okay, that could be a problem. That could be a big problem. Alright. Well, this is only half of it. I was thinking with how loud the compressor has been on this fridge, like, that it's basically, like, choking for air. And either it's so, because, like, it's dusty out here, okay? Well, what I didn't think about is the fact that Jane sheds. She doesn't look like a dog that sheds, but she does, okay? There's a lot of shedding going on in here. And then, of course, like, I can't just blame it all on Jane. I'm a shedder, too. So it's like, we got just, like, extra shedding going on. This is a lot of hair, man. And it's, like, stuck to the ground, to the compressor. Like, I'm scraping it off. Okay. You will survive, fridge. You will. I promise. They don't make you no more. I need you. I need you to survive. Okay. The scrapey method worked. I just basically drowned it in cleaner and then started to scrape the floor. Because it's basically Jane and my hair piled together and then it's stuck to the floor. But I scraped it all up. Now I can see the color of my floor again. That's nice. I scraped it all off of the compressor. I literally used the bracket that holds the fridge down. That's the only thing I had. So that was our cleaning tool. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we'll wipe this down one more time. What the heck? Okay, so if you have a refrigerator inside of your van, I suggest you move it. See what's underneath there. Thank God there's no mold. But there was definitely bacteria. Like, oh my gosh. And I would have never noticed if the fridge didn't sound like that. It does sound a little bit better. It's not as loud. It's still loud though. Okay, we're going to tighten. Come on. Come on. I know you fit. Right? What the fuck? Maybe not. What is this? Ugh. Alright. We'll just do all the things. See that? Oh, this one's not tight. Hey! Ugh. Gosh damn. It's sounding better. It is. Oh, we just moved the bracket though. That got hella quiet though. I mean, I guess. I wish you fit a socket, but you gotta be difficult. I understand. Oh, man. Will this one fit a socket? That sounds so much quieter, dude. Wow. Okay, hold on. And everybody out there, I know. Hey, this one fits a socket. I know I should shut off the fridge before I do this. I understand that. Okay? Do I care? No. So, moving on. Oh, now once we put the thingy in, it don't fit. That's stupid. Okay, we'll do this the hard way then. Shit. Fuck with me. Aye. Oh, wait. Oche. Nope. Okay. I think I fixed it. I cannot even hear it over the music, where before it was like this rattling sound. And like, yeah, I bent it. I'm not worried about that. No. But now I know that probably these dirt roads, I'm gonna blame it on the dirt roads. I'm not gonna blame it on myself. Hell no. You gotta take it out and tighten up the bolts every so often. Like, I've had this since 2020. It's survived. It's a trooper, man. It's literally like the perfect fridge. You see? Everybody uses me as an armrest. Like, I have a fridge as an armrest. It's, dude, can't beat that. So, we had to fix it. Okay. We gotta remove the collection of Jane's hair and my hair. I'll admit that. And then tighten some bolts. That's all. The fridge ain't gonna die. It's just, it needs maintenance. Okay, so I put all of it back together, and it was super quiet. And then I put it back in its little spot, put all the brackets back on, and now it's loud as fuck. What? So, at least we know the fridge is not broken. It's just the compressor that is not level. That's the problem. And like, I'm sorry, but I live life on an incline already, so like my whole life isn't level, okay? Like, but I have to figure out how to level this out at least a little bit better. Like, do I have to take these brackets, the whole thing out? Ugh. Shut the fuck. You are joking. Dude, you cannot be for real. Okay, so It is quiet. Alright? Now, if I was to put it back up to its bracket position, it gets worse. But now the fridge is level. And now the fridge is not level, but the fucking compressor is quiet. Like, what do I do? So I used this as a level. The compressor was turning on this fridge like every 5 minutes, every 20 minutes. Now the compressor will not turn back on. So I'm going to take that as either A, I fixed it, or B, is broken and I'll find out later. We'll put the last bracket on and see. I did it. It's back to its little bitty, just a hum. Now I bet when I park in certain positions and I'm not level again. Sorry, I just had to smoke a bowl because I feel accomplished. That took forever. That was supposed to be the easiest, like, oh, I'm gonna clean underneath the fridge and clean around the compressor and blah 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 and put it back. I'm glad you still work. Thanks. Keep to that little bitty hum. Don't die. I don't have time for that shit right now. I really don't. Okay, you know what? Alright? This is what I'm gonna say. This is America. Okay? And we rely on China for a lot of things. A lot of things. Including the app called TikTok that tells us how to live our lives because we don't know how to actually do anything. So, let me get to the point. So, there was a video that I watched and it said for this to like finally seal, you see that? You see that seal? Okay? That doesn't happen with this one, but watch. You take a fucking blow dryer. Oh my god. Dude, I'm telling you, we would be so dumb. Like, this is ridiculous. Hold on, I should probably wipe this one down. I didn't. There was a first step. Okay, hold on. Step one, clean the rubber. Hold on. We're skipping steps. Sorry. I'm just like so surprised, and I should have got that on camera that worked. Like, oh my gosh, so ridiculous. Okay. Bro, are you kidding me? Dude, that's all. That's it.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.